What if your rescue robots had 6 legs, antennas, and could survive literally anything? This assembly line turns giant cockroaches into remote-controlled scouts in under 1 minute.
Wow.
It's either brilliant or nightmare fuel.
So what is it? Well, here's a short version. Scientists built a robotic assembly line that could take a Madagascar hissing cockroach and insert custom electrodes, strap on a tiny backpack, and turn that sucker into a steerable search and rescue cyborg. Doing it by hand used to take over 15 minutes. This machine does it in 68 seconds flat, which means you could mass produce them for swarm missions. And they're surprisingly very effective. In one testing, a squad of just 4 roaches covered 80% of a blocked off search area in just over 10 minutes. So why roaches? Well, they can squeeze through gaps no robot could. They power themselves biologically, and they could carry mini thermal cameras, microphones, or other sensors. Basically, you get the durability of a bug with the brains of a robot.
So how does it work? This process is precise. An AI vision system figures out exact nerve location on each little cockroach, and then a robot arm with a depth camera inserts a microneedle electrode with a tiny hook so it stays put right in place. That connects to the backpack, and then a microcontroller and radio send gentle electrical pulses telling the roach to turn left, right, or speed up. Put a few together, using basic swarm logic, they spread out and map an area way faster than one machine could. And yes, there's an ethics angle to this too. They use anesthesia during prep. Aww. That's good. The backpacks can be removed, and the whole thing went through formal approvals, Bruce. Still, remote controlling living insects is bound to raise some serious questions, guys.
Poor little cockroach. What does Bruce think? Well, honestly, this might be the most practical, weird rescue tech I've seen in years. And I've seen a lot. Well, maybe not. It's cheap, it's fast to make, and the bugs power themselves. No batteries. You're guiding a tiny living scout exactly where humans and robots can't go. And dogs, because they're search dogs as well. It's strange, but it makes perfect sense.
What does Rudeboi think? Creepy. Sure. If I'm trapped under rubble, I do not care if my rescuer has antennas. I just want out now. If a cyborg roach can find me in 10 minutes instead of 2 hours, I'm in, Bruce. Just make sure that damn thing doesn't hitch a ride home with me, because they are nasty and freaky dicky. We really want to know what you guys think. Don't be shy and drop your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button and like us too. It's our way of feeling that love and companionship. Stay tuned for our next videos. They're going to be super cool. And we love you guys.